first thing is that if it is an early morning practice, should be good. And few things to be noted. First, you should get up not exactly by 5:30 and get into the session. You have to get up a little early, like 5 o'clock. Walk little, clear your bowel first possibly. Probably detox your body. So flushing out your mala and urine is most important. Try to find possibly a separate place, lonely place where no much disturbance is there. And second thing is that no much light is there. I need a light for showing you this video. So otherwise, no much lighting. Good to have a yellow light or a lamp. Nice smell, the room, nice odor. So, example, agarbatti, but it will be smoky. So, don't use spray and other thing. Have some javad, other type of whatever it is, like attar, another thing, which gives really a mild blended smell. And it should be good ventilated. It should not be closed to room, not a good one. And very nice dress, comfortable dress, and better to sit on the floor. On the floor means use a mat, and then sit on the floor. This mat can be anything, but not a plastic mat, but it can be a regular, you know, no rubber, no plastic, and stuff that naturally made grass made mats, and a lot of mats are there, or even wooden plank. That should be good. The floor, if you can sit in Sukhasana, should be nice. And the plank should not be very small where your body is up and down, where you sit up on the legs are down. It should be a little bigger. Sit in Sukhasana, try to. Don't try Padmasana, other things. Make it your comfortable thing. Like I don't want you to have a difficulty while you are practicing this. Any difficulty that bothers you or disturb you, deviate you from that practice. Most important. So these are the basic things you should maintain. And if it is possible, you have to complete your Danda Shuddhi, Netra Shuddhi, and Kapha Shuddhi. This is most important. Snana is not compulsory because Snana is not the purity from we call it as. This Snana is post Vaasi Yogam, you can do the bath. With Panchakalpa Snana and other thing, if you want to do, you cannot do early on, so you can do it later. But good is to clear your bowel. Most important thing is that because it will increase your heat in the body. And, it will also get you constipated. So add ghee to your food, more ghee to your food, and also add some good laxative fiber in the food so that your bowel won't be getting the heated up or constantly. Because while you're practicing this, you'll get all that. And not only that, a lot of truths will open up. You'll be moving slowly between duality to the singularity. So in that time, you feel, or you come to know a lot of truth practically. Or you slowly move out of little Maya. That time you feel some disturbance at family within you and all that. That is natural. Get ready for it. I can't say that there is an escape. You have to one day, you have to see the natural nature, right? The truth, right? The birth was the Maya, but that is the truth. So one day, that is people think that's painful, but for us, it's the biggest wisdom. So that the truth will come one day, truth, and that will be visible even before the death, because it's called a reincarnation. So reincarnation means the death will happen while you are alive, and again you start living in a altogether different way of life. That's the most important thing. The complete thing, never ever open your eyes. That's what I mean to say. Never ever open your eyes.